Since January 20, 2023, our system ranks QQQ as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.814. In this period the stock has had a gain of 6.45%. This is an average return of 0.72% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price gained 2.14% on the last trading day, Wednesday, February 1, 2023, rising from $294.62 to $300.92. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.81% from a day low at $292.30 to a day high of $303.43. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.29% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 19 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 66 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $19.71 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $371.83, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 19.07%, or $70.91, below 52-week high, and 26.37%, or $107.79, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $408.71. The ETF has broken the wide and horizontal trend up. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements, and any correction down to the break line at approximately $297.13 is considered to be a second chance to hit a potential runner. It is, however, important that volume does follow the price, as false breaks may appear and it may move back into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the ETF is predicted to reach $332.24 sometime during the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 1.74% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -11.41% and 0.458%. The 12-month trend indicates a -21.13% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -41.92% and -22.43%. This equals a price between $174.77 and $233.41 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $293.07 and $277.55. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 28, 2022, and so far it has risen 15.69%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $288.65, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $11.13 between high and low, or 3.81%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.17%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.93. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $288.65, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $287.08, minus 4.60%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 23 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several positive signals and has broken the wide and horizontal trend up. As the ETF is in great technical shape, we, therefore, consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 2nd, we expect QQQ to open down minus $2.04 and start trading at $298.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember